Okay, this is the Monster Truck Cadillac Show, producing me, Joe, and driving Nico. Say hi. Okay, so he's going to, with his Cadillac monster truck, run over this thing and going to crush it. Get ready, get ready, going. No, he missed it. Good try, it's a good try. Oh, backing up. Nico, get up. Run this over. Hit this, hit this. Hit this. Here you go. Wait. Try getting ready for him. He's a really good driver. Got it. Oh, he's going. Oh, crushed that thing in a matter of seconds. Oh, he's backing up. I think he's going to do another one. He's going to do another one. No, he's going to show up his car in his first place. First place. Oh, he's firing. Nico, stop it, stop it, stop it. Stop it. Stop it, stop it. Oh, what he's doing? Backing up, backing up.
Subwoofers in the back, see that? Subwoofers? Does that have a roof on it?
Run into me, go.
Does that have a roof on it?
Drive, drive.